Hello and welcome back.
Hi there.
Welcome to We Made It. I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
How are you today, hon?
I'm okay.
Good?
I'm about to be a whole lot better.
You ready to make a drink?
I am.
What are we making today?
Today we are making a St. Marie.
A St. Marie?
And St. Marie is a completely made up place.
It is. It's a fictional island in the Caribbean somewhere.
Yep. And one of my favorite Netflix shows is called Death in Paradise.
That's right.
It's
Crime drama.
a crime drama, British crime drama set in this fictional island in the Caribbean.
And we're making a drink that didn't have a good name.
Right. It had a really long, ingredient
Right.
list name, and we thought that was rubbish.
Rubbish,
I mean, if we're going to be British.
If we're going to be British in a French colony.
In a French colony, let's do it.
Okay.
And we're calling it that because it has lime juice, pineapple, St Germain, which is French.
We've used before and we love.
And vodka. And this island is a French colony.
In the tropics.
In the tropics. So we thought that was sort of appropriate.
It works for me.
I did not know it was a fictional place, so that's even better.
We had to Google it.
Mm-hmm. Now we know.
So should we get started?
Let's do
Should
it.
we make a thing?
Let's do it.
Okay.
We're making a double.
We are.
Per usual.
Right, because there's two of us.
Yep, and we've got our martini glasses a-chillin'.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some ice in the shaker while you measure out our first ingredient.
All right. Our first ingredient is ½ ounce for a double of our lime juice, which means 1/4 ounce per drink. ½ ounce of lime juice.
We're using good quality, organic, bottled lime juice. Can't get good stuff, just juice them yourself.
Buy limes.
Okay, our
In
next
it goes.
ingredient is pineapple juice. And we probably should have mentioned that we're using pineapple juice today. We're not going to use the whole can, even though we're using this little bitty can. So, next time,
Make another
we'll
something.
make another pineapple something so you can use up the rest of your can.
That's right. We're going to do 1 ounce of pineapple juice, ½ ounce per drink. And here.
Pineapple juice.
And I mean, pineapple juice just smells good. Just
pineapple.
I mean, come on.
It's like one of my favorite things.
So good.
Okay.
Next, 2 ounces of St Germain.
I'm just standing here and
I just beat that on my microphone.
watching you pour all the things today.
I'm okay. I
Make
got
me
it.
a drink, Jeeves.
Half, 1, 2
2.
for our
This is
double.
Really easy if you're following along. You'll notice it's ½ 1, 2, and when we get to the vodka, guess what comes next? 3.
It's magic.
It's so easy.
Yum, yum, yum. 3 ounces of vodka.
And if you wanted this to be extra tropical, I suppose you could sub out rum.
Yeah,
But we
you
have
could.
not tried it, so don't blame us if it's
At
bad.
your own risk.
But if you make it that way,
Try it.
please tell us how it is,
All right.
because we want to know. So, shaken till it's
Too cold to hold.
Okay. Woo!
Woo!
That's cold.
Very cold.
Let's dump out our martini glasses.
I'll do one. You do one.
Okay.
Nice cold martini glasses.
Yeah, and you'll notice we do that when we make martinis. It just makes it stay colder for longer. Just stick some ice. You can just stick your whole martini glasses in the freezer if you want, but we don't have room in our freezer for martini glasses. There's food in there.
Oh, goodness. Look
Look
how
at
pretty.
All right. Ooh, look at
Look
that.
how beautiful those are.
Pretty color. Gosh, it just... It smells delightful. It tastes delightful.
St. Marie?
They say the one of the main characters is French.
So she
And
says
so she says St. Marie.
St. Marie.
St. Marie, yeah.
I almost don't care what it's called. It's just so yummy.
Right?
So good.
It is very good.
All right, so that one was really quick and easy. ½ ounce for the double of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of St. Germain, 3 ounces of vodka. Cut all that in half if you're drinking alone, but whatever you do, drink one of these.
If you try something that's not St. Germain, but is also an elderflower liqueur if you find something at your liquor store. If you've already got a favorite elderflower liqueur, let us know in the comments.
If you've got something that's cheaper and works,
we'll branch out.
We'll buy cheaper.
Absolutely. Or maybe we'll taste test some others sometime.
This was an amazing find, by the way. Like, good job.
This is from Nibbles, The Nibble, thenibble.com.
Thenibble.com. Thank you to you.
Thank you to you folks. Sorry we changed the name of your drink, but it was kind of boring. So sorry, not sorry. This is better.
We'll put the link to their recipe
absolutely
underneath the video.
We made it the exact way they did.
Right. We didn't change anything except the name.
Mm-hmm.
It needed a name. What were they calling it?
Pineapple St Germain Cosmo.
Pineapple St Germain Cosmo.
And this to me does not resemble a Cosmo in any way.
No.
So subscribe to our channel.
Please do.
Like the video.
Yes.
Send all your friends.
All of them.
And make drinks together.
Absolutely.
And we made it.
We made it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mm-hmm. What if we call it a rainforest Cosmo?
Why rainforest?
What was that? Oh, that was that mosquito.
Oh, did he get you? He's
No.
over there by the clock. He just went like on this side of the clock, but
That's
behind
right.
it. Uh-huh.
The St. Germainiac?
No. There it is!
There's the...
Ugh.
Where was it?
It's right there.
Air traffic control. We have...
Seriously, a gigantic mosquito.
the mosquito from hell. Call it a beach party?
Oh, now it's there. Right there, right there. Oh my gosh, it's coming for me.
The tropical yum yum.
We already found something called a yum yum.
But it's not a tropical yum yum.
It's not, well, it probably
is made with rum, so it's probably fairly
rum
tropical.
yum yum?
It's a rum yum yum.
Did you get it?
No, I missed completely.
Well, where did it go?
I have no idea. Are you aching? Rum yum yum. For some bacon. Rum yum yum.
I should be watching my show right now. Give me something to do.
We could call it a commie bastard.
No, we can't. Where is St. Germain from?
France.
French.
Beach house?
It's not very beachy. I mean, I don't even care what it's called. I just want to drink it. Oh, wait. Aren't there like... There is. There are French colonies in like the Caribbean. If we name it after one of them.
Or we could...
Like the Saint Marie from my show.
I'm done with you.